Now let's take a look at the features of PrestaShop Facebook. In the Product Catalog tab, you can now export your entire catalog to your Facebook and Instagram catalog in just one click. Your products are updated every day. PrestaShop Facebook automatically identifies products from your catalog that have a mistake and can't be synchronized. For more information, click on View Details. Once your catalog has been exported to Facebook, you can click on View Catalog to view it within 24 hours. Thanks to the Category Mapping tool, you can maximize the views of your Facebook catalog and help your customers find your products more easily. Link the categories of your PrestaShop catalog with the official Facebook categories. The more specific you are, the more effective your ads will be. The PrestaShop Facebook Category Linking Report helps you identify the categories that you need to specify. Now you can go to the Facebook Business Manager interface to create targeted ad campaigns. In the Configuration tab, click on Create Ads to generate traffic and/or dynamic ads. Click on View Statistics to view details on the activity collected by the Facebook Pixel. Study viewed pages, visited categories, products that have been added to the basket, and more. You'll find everything you need to know about the behavior of visitors to your eStore. In the Sales Channels tab, configure additional features to optimize the buyer experience, such as the Messenger chat plugin. Activate or deactivate additional features anytime with just one click. Audience, traffic, tracking, conversion, centralization, synchronization. PrestaShop Facebook. All the power of Facebook and Instagram at the service of your eStore. PrestaShop, from idea to success.